Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to decorate these beautiful floral cupcakes super easily and quite quickly with Russian piping tips. Even beginners or young girls which are new to decoration can also make these without any problem. Here I have taken buttercream and now I am tinting it with gel food color. Check out the consistency of the buttercream, it's quite thick. It should not be so soft and runny, otherwise flowers will not hold their shape, nor too thick or dry because then flower petals will break. So if you feel that your frosting is runny, then add in icing sugar, and if you feel that it's too thick, then you can add in cream. Take another bowl and tint more buttercream colors, and here I have them. Green for leaves and the other for flowers. Recipe of buttercream and cupcakes I'm gonna upload in separate video. So here I have Russian piping tips. They come in different flower designs. They are quite large piping tips, that's why you would need a big coupler for this, but if you don't have big coupler, no problem, you can use simple piping bag also. Insert the piping tip into it. Push the tip little backward and then cut it with scissor. Then push the piping tip and you are done. Take a glass, cup or a jug and insert the piping bag in it. Now with the help of spatula, spread the frosting on the walls first. But if you don't want to make two color flower, then no need to do this step. You can just simply add one color frosting in your bag and pipe it. But here I'm gonna make it two-tone. I think in that way flower look more realistic. Now I'm gonna add in yellow color in the center like that. And pull out. Now with the help of scraper, push the frosting so that no air bubble is left in the bag. And when you see that frosting peeking through the tip, that means it's ready. Like this. And maybe you could see that we have a yellow center and white petals on the sides. In this way, flower will look more natural. So now let's start piping. Take your cupcake and then bring the tip as close as possible to the cupcake and start squeezing. And then slowly lift the pressure up. That was not clear, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you again. But before starting next flower, clean the tip with paper towel. Otherwise, all petals will merge and you won't get clear-cut, neat flower. So once again, bring the piping tip as close as possible to the cupcake, squeeze and slowly lift the pressure up like that. Clean the tip and repeat the process. How pretty and easy. Now I'm going to show you how to make three color flower. Just like earlier, put one color on the sides first, but this time you're going to apply a thin layer so that when you add the other color, you would see streaks of that color on the petals. Now I'm going to add peach color and some white color to give it a marble effect, like so. Now can you see the other color showing from the sides? Yeah, this is what I wanted. I have used rose piping tip. It looks like this. I have cleaned the tip And now start squeezing. See how beautiful this shaded flower. Now clean the tip again and make another one. Once all flowers are done, then we are going to add in leaves. Now I'm going to show you another method. Same 3-color flower but with the help of cobblers. These cobblers are sometimes handy if you have to switch between the tips. Just like piping tip, insert at the tip of the bag and push in. The same way prepare all other bags. Now at the pointy end here, you're gonna add in color with the help of a brush, like this. Prepare all of the bags like this. And now at the same point, I'm gonna add in white color, like this, so that you have blended yellow and white color. Finish all bags like this. Now I'm gonna add the darker color and some white color to have a blended effect. Now hold these bags together and join all these pointy sides together like this. Now place the tip and put the ring to secure the tip. Just like earlier, squeeze and slowly lift the pressure up like so. See, it looks exactly like the same which we have done earlier, but with the help of cobbler, and I think it's a very easy method. And if you want to change the tip also, you can also change the tip. See, now I'm switching the tip like this. It's super easy. With the same filling, you can now make another flower. See, a different flower shape but with same colors. Just like earlier, I have made another color. On the side it's yellow, and then I have added violet, and then in the center it's peach. See, again this flower also looks so pretty. Now with the same colors, I have changed the piping tip. And this flower also looks so beautiful. In that way, you can mix and match different colors, you can mix and match different flowers and tips, and you can make your own bouquet of flowers. Let's make with different colors and with different shapes. This also looks so pretty. Now let's add some greens in it. It's built-in tip number 352. It's a leaf tip. Hold the pointy side of the tip upwards just like a bird's beak, and just like flowers, bring the tip close to the cupcake and then squeeze and pull away. Squeeze and pull away. Like so. Wherever you see gaps, add in leaves and your cupcake will look so beautiful. See how gorgeous. In the same way, I'm gonna finish all other cupcakes. See, in no time you can easily decorate a beautiful cupcake. Here I want to mention a special thanks to my friend Saima for this amazing handmade cupcake stand. Do check out her Instagram account, link is in the description box, and enjoy this delicious and beautiful bouquet with your loved ones, and remember me in your prayers. So guys, if you liked today's video, do give a thumbs up and share with others too. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to watch more wonderful videos. So I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.